So now I will talk about difference between after or later. Use after plus Ferris and use later alone at the end of a sentence or phrase. I will call you later. I will call you after I get home from work. First, he bought a new car. 2 weeks later, he bought a new motorcycle. He bought a new motorcycle 2 weeks after he bought a car. You can say later plus time period to refer to an unspecified time in the future, which is still within the period. For example, I will finish the project later this week. You will go on vacation later this year. So, guys, never end a sentence with after. Instead, you can use afterwards. Did you go straight home after the baseball game? No, we went out for drinks after. It's wrong. No, we went out for drinks afterwards.